We are your affordable Phoenix, Arizona area garage door repair service, protecting you from predator service companies. We fix all garage door problems in the Phoenix area. Broken springs and stuck doors, opener repairs, new lift master openers, weather stripping, rollers and end bearings. We also offer new doors and more. Visit our website for savings coupons. What makes our garage door repair team special? With decades of experience, you can trust our team to complete the job to a high standard. Our clients trust our professional garage door company because we take pride in our work, value honest communication, provide quality work at a fair price, and offer exceptional customer service. Expert and honest garage door service makes a world of difference. Call Affordable Garage Door today at 602-672-1418.